What is the expression for energy stored in an inductor? Half L I square. Capacitor, half CV square. Inductor, half Li square. Flash spectrum confirms total solar eclipse. Ratio of minimum wavelengths of Lymer and Balmer series will be, it is conceptual, 0.25. The next problem. A neutron, proton, electron and an alpha particle. So there are 4 particles given here. A neutron, proton, electron and an alpha particle. They enter a region of uniform magnetic field. These 4 particles are moving in a region of uniform magnetic field with the same velocities. All 4 particles have the same velocities. The magnetic field is perpendicular and directed into the plane of the paper. The track of the particles are labeled in the figure. Then which path will an electron follow? My dear students, the radius of the trajectory is given by mv divided by q into b. The problem says they move with the same velocities in a uniform magnetic field. So this ratio becomes the same. That means radius is least if m by q is least. So for which particle m by q will be least? It is the electron. So the electron has to follow this trajectory, what we call as d. Next one. This is an assignment problem. Converting galvanometer into an ammeter. Many a times I have done. Please do refer. Now, a current of 2 divided by root 3 ampere produces a deflection of 60 degrees in a tangent galvanometer. The reduction factor is current flowing through a TG, current flowing through a tangent galvanometer is given by I equals K tan theta, where K is called the reduction factor of the TG, from which K equals I by tan theta. Nodi, simple expression. No quantum physics. Current flowing through the TG is K tan theta. K is called reduction factor. So K is I by tan theta. So this is 2 divided by root 3 divided by tan 60. Simplify, 2 by 3 ampere will be the answer. In an AC circuit, V and I are given by the respective equations. Power dissipated in the circuit has to be calculated. So we know power dissipated is Vrms into Irms into cos phi. Again, need to know this relation. Almost all sessions I have worked out problem on this. P is Vrms into Irms into cos phi, or RMS peak value V naught by root 2, Irms I naught by root 2, cos phi is pi by 3. See, phase difference is present here. Cos phi, or V naught peak value 150 by root 2 into again 150 by root 2 into cos pi by 3. Simplify. C is the answer. Again, an assignment question. Very simple. You need to find the impedance. XL calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, which will be 2 pi FL. Calculate XC, 1 by 2 pi FC. Impedance is root of R square plus, here XC will be more than XL, XC minus XL whole square. The energy stored in an inductor of self-inductance L carrying a current of I ampere. What is the expression for energy stored in an inductor? Half L I square. Capacitor half CV square. Inductor half Li square. Transformer works on the principle of mutual induction. Choke works on the principle of self-induction. Flash spectrum confirms total solar eclipse. A photoelectric threshold wavelength for silver is lambda naught. Threshold wavelength kottidare. Threshold wavelength for silver is lambda naught. The energy of the electron ejected from the surface of silver when light of wavelength lambda is incident on it. Let us refer back to Einstein's equation, where energy is work function plus kinetic energy of the electrons. So kinetic energy is E minus W. The question is in terms of wavelength. So hc by lambda minus hc by lambda naught. Work function is in terms of lambda naught. So kinetic energy is hc, common in the numerator, 1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda naught. Or when you simplify, lambda naught minus lambda into lambda naught into lambda. So the answer has to be the fourth option. Rutherford's atomic model could account for stability of the atoms? No. It nowhere gave us the condition for stability of the atom. Origin of spectra? No. Concept of stationary orbits? No. It could only tell the concept of positively charged nucleus. When an electron jumps from the orbit n to orbit 4, then the wavelength of the absorbed radiations. Expression ಏನು ವೇವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಗೊಂದು ಬರೆದ್ವಿ 1 by lambda is r, which is Rydberg's constant, 1 by n square minus 1 by n2 square, or 1 by lambda is r, 1 by n1 square is 4 minus 1 by 16. 1 by lambda is r, LCM ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 16 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, 3 by 16, or lambda is 16 divided by 3r. So the answer has to be 16 divided by 3r. Answer is carbon. Ratio of minimum wavelengths of Lymer and Balmer series will be, it is conceptual, 0.25. Fraction of the initial number of radioactive nuclei. So we know n is n naught divided by 2 to the power n. Half-life is asked, n naught 2 to the power half, or this is n naught by root 2. 1 Curie represents 3.7 into 10 power 10 disintegrations per second. PNP transistor, correct symbol is B. This is out of your syllabus. We will not decide this. Again, this is done in my previous session, 2018. 1836 will be the answer. The output of the given logic gate. Here the output will be A plus B. Here A plus C. So here therefore it is A plus B into A plus C. So A plus B into A plus C will be the answer. Now, if the scattering intensity of a liquid is 8 units at a wavelength 500 nanometer, what will be the scattering intensity at a wavelength 400 nanometers? My Rayleigh's law says intensity is proportional to 1 by lambda to the power 4. This is how intensity is related to wavelength. Or I1 by I2 equals lambda 2 by lambda 1 to the power 4. So lambda, when you work out, the intensity I1 is given, wavelengths are given, simplify, the answer will be 20 units. So students, in today's discussion, we have analyzed 2011 paper. Next, I come back with 2010. Until then, stay safe. Thank you.